Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Apple's iPad Pro lineup has always been the gold standard for tablets, blending laptop-level performance with unmatched portability. Now, with the M5 iPad Pro, Apple is looking to push the limits once again, bringing faster performance, smarter AI capabilities, and new hardware features that could make it the most powerful tablet ever built. From a lightning-fast M5 chip built on advanced 3 nanometers technology to a dual front camera system designed for both portrait and landscape Face ID. This upgrade isn't just about raw speed, it's about making the iPad Pro more versatile than ever. Add in Wi-Fi 7 connectivity, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and nano-texture OLED displays, and it's clear that Apple is focusing on professional-grade creativity, productivity, and next-gen AI integration through iPadOS 19. In this detailed breakdown, we'll go through all the latest leaks, rumors, and confirmed specs. Explore the top 10 standout features and give you the inside scoop on the expected release date and pricing. Whether you're a creative professional, a tech enthusiast, or just someone wondering if this is the right time to upgrade, here's everything you need to know about the 2025 M5 iPad Pro. Here's a concept image inspired by recent rumors around the M5 iPad Pro, showcasing a clean edge-to-edge design and the much-discussed dual front-facing camera setup. M5 iPad Pro rumors. Specs, release and pricing breakdown. 1. Release timeline, expected launch. Most sources point to a launch in late 2025, with several citing October as the likeliest timing. Production of OLED displays has begun. The M5 chip entered mass production in February, testing underway by March. Mass production reports confirmed display and chip production ramping up soon, suggesting readiness for a fall release too. Chip and performance specs. M5 chip built on TSMC's advanced 3 nanometers process, offering improved efficiency, graphics performance, and a stronger neural engine. Performance gains. Expected improvements range from 5–20%. Depending on the source, enhancing tasks like video editing, AI workloads, and pro workflows. 3. Design and display. OLED display, continuing from the M4. The M5 model retains OLED screens, with production handled by both Samsung and LG to ensure supply resilience. Nano-texture option. Upgraded models are expected to include the nano-texture glass variant, reducing glare for outdoor or bright environments. Exterior look. Expect minimal changes in design. Sleek, lightweight, and largely consistent with the M4 iPad Pro. 4. Camera and biometric upgrades. Dual front cameras, a standout rumor. Expect to front camera's landscape plus portrait orientation to improve FaceTime, Face ID, and selfies, regardless of how you hold it. Seamless switching. The device may automatically switch between cameras based on its orientation, enhancing a CY.5. Connectivity and memory. Wi-Fi 7, newer wireless standard, expected faster speeds, better bandwidth, and future-proofed connectivity. RAM upgrade. Rumors hint at a default of 16 gigabytes RAM, enabling smoother multitasking and better support for AI features like Apple Intelligence. 6. Software harmony. iPadOS 19. The M5 iPad Pro is expected to debut alongside iPadOS 19, introducing features like a Mac-style menu bar, improved state, and deeper AI integration. 7. Pricing. Base prices stable, likely in line with M4 pricing around $99,911 inch and $1,299. 13-inch for the 256 gigabytes base models. Potential price pressure. Apple may absorb tariff changes, but some modest increases could occur depending on geopolitical or supply chain factors. 10 key features at a glance. 1. M5 chip faster, more efficient, 3 nanometers processor. 2. OLED display, high contrast visuals from Samsung LG 3. Nano-texture option, reduced glare, better outdoor use. 4. Dual front cameras, portrait and landscape, FaceTime 5. Wi-Fi 7, faster. Future-ready wireless 6. 16 gigabytes RAM, smooth, multitasking, and AI support 7. iPadOS 19, enhanced UI, and Pro-level features 8. Improved neural engine 4, AI and Apple Intelligence tasks 9, incremental 5, 20% speed better, graphics and performance 10, flexible price structure, possibly a price bump for base storage. The M5 iPad Pro is shaping up as a smart, performance focused upgrade rather than a radical overhaul. Its standout features dual front cameras, Wi-Fi 7, boosted RAM, and enhanced chip make it a compelling choice for power users and professionals. If you already own an M4 iPad Pro, the incentives are there, especially with the nano-texture display and richer software experience. That said, if you're happy with your current device, waiting for the next generation, potentially with foldable form factors or larger redesigns in the future, could still be worthwhile. So, is the M5 iPad Pro the game-changing upgrade we've all been waiting for? Based on what we know so far, the answer leans toward yes, especially for users who demand top-tier performance, cutting-edge AI tools, and the flexibility of a device that works as both a laptop replacement and a creative studio in your hands. With its dual front cameras, blazing fast M5 chip, Wi-Fi 7, and gorgeous nano-texture OLED display, Apple isn't just polishing the iPad Pro, it's redefining what a high-performance tablet can be. Sure, the design changes may be minimal, but the under-the-hood improvements could make a massive difference for professionals and power users. If the rumored October 2025 release date holds true, we're only a few months away from seeing this powerhouse hit the shelves. Prices are expected to stay close to the M4 generation. But with Apple, there's always a chance of slight adjustments based on storage or supply factors. One thing is clear, if you've been holding on to an older iPad Pro, this might be the year to make the jump. And if you already own the M4 model, the temptation will be real, but you might want to weigh the speed and AI gains against your current workflow before deciding.